And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're going to show you how to spoof on your Pokemon Go without using any computer. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you're notified when next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and Android. Check out merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you how to do this. Basically, if you go to iPogo.app, the official iPogo website, you'll be able to see how to spoof and different methods on how to do it. Basically, there's ways to spoof using the Windows computer, how to install iPogo on your iPhones, and basically you'll be able to do this with many methods. But today we're looking at the Signalius. There's also a link down below, so go ahead and get this yourself. Now, just a disclaimer, I don't make any money on this. It's mainly Signalius. I'm just giving this out as information. So it's up to you guys to decide whether it's real or not. But this is officially from the iPogo.app website. So this is their instructions, not mine. So like I said earlier, you're going to open the Safari and then you're going to go to iPogo.app. Everything will be linked in the description below. So go ahead and check that out. So here you go. So if you go to iPogo.app, there's gonna be like direct install, and also there's gonna be a spot of all install methods. You're gonna go ahead and click that, and you're gonna see all the information here that you want. So like I said, I don't make any money on this. I'm just mainly just sharing this out so that for you guys to be able to play at home and play, you'll be able to install iPogo and spoof wherever you want. This they have an offer right now as well. If you sign up for Signalius and pay the $20, you will get the VIP of the iPogo as well. So that's a pretty good deal. But yeah, so basically all you need to do is go to signalius.com, and then we're gonna show you how to do that there. So here we go. Once you're in Signalius, all you need to do is hit get Signalius. It's pretty straightforward actually. And then here you're gonna put down your UDID, and then you're gonna go click the iOS code signing. So basically this is connected to the device that you're signing to. So make sure you're using this to a device that you will not lose or anything like that, because you won't be able to use this on any other device, just a device, the UDID specific device that you signed it up for. Once you're all done, go ahead and look for the iPogo and then hit sign app. There's other apps as well here that is hacked, so go ahead and check that out. And then all you need to do is the exact same method, which is sign app. This is not just for iPogo, so you'll be able to use this for any other app. Basically, this is the way so that you can install jailbroken apps on a non-jailbroken phone. So you don't have to jailbreak, and you'll be able to install any jailbroken app. So that's pretty good. Now this would take a while on a signing app. Sometimes it won't work, so just hit it again. And then after this, what you need to do is install the app. One thing about Signalius is basically they will update your app. So for example, if there's an iPogo or Pokemon Go app that's brand new, they'll be able to just update that on their system, and then you'll be able to install it right away. After that, you'll go to settings on your phone, and then you're gonna go to general and then profiles. Here we're gonna install the profile that you need. This is allowing that app to be written and be used to your iPhone, because it's not from the App Store, therefore it's a third-party app, so therefore you won't be able to use it without signing it in on the profiles. Before we get playing on Pokemon Go, let's go ahead and see our sponsors. Here we go. Today's sponsor is Clean My Mac X. Make your slow Mac faster again, like the day you got it. With the click of a button, you can get rid of your junk, malware, and free up space so that your Mac can go faster again. With this, you can get rid of viruses, adware, worm, and ransomware. Basically anything you need so that you can make your Mac fast again. So get Clean My Mac trial today. Link in the description below. Once you've installed the profiles, you're all good to go. So go ahead and open the brand new downloaded iPogo to from your phone. So if things doesn't work out, just re-click it again. And sometimes I have to do it like 5 times before it actually starts up. But once it starts up, it actually works well and it doesn't crash. So it's pretty good. Now, I've used this for quite some time now. I haven't been banned just yet. So I think this app is pretty good. But for those of you who are wondering how to actually spoof and teleport and how to actually use this app without getting shadow banned, I'll link this down below. I have a video for that. So go ahead and check that out. So as you can see, you'll be able to get a lot of features with iPogo app. There's enhanced throw. There's also dark mode on their interface, right? And you can be able to teleport and spoof. You can also have a joystick where you can just use this like, you're walking towards the Pokemon or maybe the Pokestops and whatnot. You'll be able to see all the Pokemons around you as well on the maps, just like that. There's a lot of ways to use this, so go ahead and check that out. I can teleport as well wherever I want. As long as I haven't spun a Pokestop or catch a Pokemon yet, you'll be able to teleport wherever you want. Usually what I do is I scope out the area first and then I teleport there. This is the easiest way so that you don't end up getting stuck in an area where it's no good or lull, right? But yeah, that's it. If you want a free version, I'll link this down below as well. I made a video on that, so go ahead and check that out. So basically, this is the one way to do it. There's a lot of ways. Like I said, go to ipogo.app and you'll be able to see all the methods so that you'll be able to install iPogo to your iPhone. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell as well so you'll be notified of next videos to come. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day. Check out my merch below as well at 1130.ca. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.